Welcome back to Real Advice, your go-to channel for honest reviews and expert recommendations. Today, we're hitting the ground running, literally, with the top 3 best treadmills of 2025. Whether you're looking to crush your fitness goals, train for your next marathon, or simply stay active at home, these treadmills offer cutting-edge features, durability, and performance to fit every lifestyle. From smart technology to space-saving designs, we've got the perfect picks to keep you moving. Let's get started. Number 3. Incline Treadmill for Home. The Incline Treadmill for Home is a heavy-duty machine built for serious workouts, offering an impressive 18% auto incline and a robust 400 pounds weight capacity. Its 3.5 HP motor ensures a quiet, powerful performance, accommodating speeds from 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, making it ideal for both beginners and advanced runners. The 18.90-inch wide belt provides a comfortable running surface, and the 36 built-in programs keep your workouts engaging and diverse. The treadmill features app control and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing seamless integration with your fitness goals. Its foldable design is practical for home use, and the sturdy frame guarantees stability during intense sessions. While the console is functional, it could benefit from more intuitive navigation. Overall, this treadmill is a fantastic choice for those seeking durability, advanced features, and convenience. Rating 4.7/5. Number 2. 4.5 HP Folding Treadmill for Home. The 4.5 HP folding treadmill for home is a versatile and powerful exercise machine ideal for running and walking enthusiasts. With a 15% auto incline feature, it offers customizable intensity levels for diverse workout needs. The 300 pounds weight capacity makes it sturdy and accommodating for various users. Its 64 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 preset programs ensure variety, while the app control adds convenience, allowing users to track progress and set goals seamlessly. The treadmill's 10 miles per hour top speed and robust 4.0 HP motor deliver a smooth, quiet performance. Its foldable design is a bonus for home use, saving valuable space. The assembly is straightforward, and the build feels durable. While the machine excels in performance, the console design could be slightly more intuitive. Overall, it's an excellent option for anyone seeking a feature-packed, space-saving treadmill. Rating 4.5/5. Number 1. Umy Fitness Home Auto Folding Treadmill. The Umy Fitness Home Auto Folding Treadmill is a compact and efficient machine perfect for home workouts. With a 3.0 HP quiet brushless motor, it delivers a smooth and quiet performance, reaching speeds up to 8.7 miles per hour. The treadmill features 3 levels of incline, allowing users to adjust workout intensity. Its 300 pounds capacity and sturdy construction make it suitable for a wide range of users. The pulse sensors provide accurate heart rate monitoring, helping users stay on track with their fitness goals. Its auto-folding design is convenient for saving space in smaller areas. The controls are easy to navigate, though more built-in programs would enhance variety. Overall, this treadmill strikes a great balance between functionality and affordability, making it a solid choice for home fitness enthusiasts. Rating 4.5/5. Thanks for watching Real Advice. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Got something you'd like me to review next? Drop it in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And as always, I'm here to keep it real. See you in the next one.